Good morning students. Today we are going to complete our question answer. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First, the science that tries to understand past events is called history. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. Next one, history is not written slowly on the basis of imagination. History is not written slowly on the basis of imagination. Question number 2. Answer each question in one sentence. Number 1. What is the scientific method? What is the scientific method? Here the answer of this question is here. You see, the method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. Question number 2. Of which action is India's independence the result? Of which action is the India's independence the result? The answer of this question is here. Now see, the Indian people fought against the British government to get independence. This is a historical action. As a result, India becomes an independent nation on 15th August 1947. Now see, number 3. What does the study of history make possible? The answer of this question is here. The study of the history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. Next question. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in brief. Number 1. Why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? Now you see, answer of this question is here. History uses the scientific method at one stage, namely while looking for and collecting evidence, examining the evidence, and while putting it together. When required, help is also taken from other sciences. That's why history is considered to be a scientific discipline. Now next question. What is it that puts obstacle in the way of village development? The answer of this question is here. If the people of a village work together and help one another, the village makes good progress. However, if the people cannot come together, it puts obstacles in the way of its development. Now next question. Question number 4. Complete the concept chart here of a village, city, district, state, my own, of a school, country and world. Now question number 5. Classify the sources of history using the chart given below. Some sources of history are given. The chart is here: material source, written source and oral source. So here coins are the material source. Letters are the written source. Forts, material source. Traditional songs, oral source. Pots, material source. Copper plates, written source. Old structures, material source. Stone inscription, written source. Folk songs, oral source. Pillars, material source. Biographies, written source. Rock cut caves, material source. And folk tales, oral source. So you have to write down this chart with the help of these sources of history. So dear student, you have to write down this question answer in your notebook.